across. See if you can catch them.
Oh, I have something else.
Or you can throw them at each other's feet or legs, but not head.
Wake the ball at the beach ball.
Woo! It's a splashy, splashy beach ball.
Make them throw them on the beach
Oh,
ball.
Tal! It's gonna pop on you, Tal! It's gonna pop on you. Are you trying to make a little tiny hole? Are you trying to spring a leak? I can do it.
No.
Let me see. I'll show
I'm
you.
trying to make that little thingy, guys. This. I was trying to throw it on my head, but it fell on the. Oh my!
Oh, see, now you can go squirting Tal and take it.
No, off.
Tal, give me one and I'll spring a leak for so you can get her. Come here. Come here. No, you're wasting. Look, Tal. Watch. You want me to squeeze them?
I don't want